So the question is that my application has been refused. Should I seek a judicial review or should I apply again? Now, I know people hate it when, lawyers say, well, it depends, but it really does. But if we were to get past that point, which I'm hoping everyone accepts, that it really depends on the specific circumstances of the file, I think the general gist of it is, can you submit, if you were to reapply, can you submit a significantly improved application? For example, if your current application or previous application was refused for purpose of visit and finances, in this new application, can you provide evidence that clearly addresses those two concerns in a way that the previous application did not? So if there's significant document, information, or evidence that you've left out in the previous application and you can offer now, well, maybe it is worth it to do. However, if you put your application forward to the best of your abilities, you're looking at your finances, purpose of visit, all of these factors, and you say, I really put my best foot forward, really think about what is the point of a reapplication. Think about an analogy of going to the bank to get a loan. You take your documents, you go to the bank, you say, I want a loan. Now, if you get rejected for that loan, are you going to go back next week with the same documents and say, I want a loan again? They're going to look at you and they say, well, we already told you that you don't qualify or you're not eligible. It's the same thing here. So if you're going to submit the same documents, same information, guess what? Chances are you'll get the same decision. So while it depends, this is really my rule of thumb when it comes down to reapplications versus judicial.